Good morning. So it's my second day here in our place here in Bicol. So it's morning day. It's daytime. It's a river or lake. And I just finished it only the pizza, and later we're going to my cousin house in Puro because have fiesta or celebration there in their place. And last night we've been in disco for old people, and later for young people again later. So in the back of the house, this is the back, and you can see the rice fields here, and it's so wind and it's so good. It's not so hot for body, but it's so good the wind. So how this is how they clean clothes. They use this. That's same how we clean clothes in province or in the city. I will charge my battery later so that I can use again for maybe 4 days more. This is the hat. No makeup. Don't know if I'm beautiful. Okay. Good afternoon. We're going to Puro to go to my cousin's place, and we're going to celebrate their fiesta there. And I'm with my relatives and my family. And the dog.
Yun yan. Look at this I have more content. Look at this. Wait. Look at this. Pump. Ano ito pala na kung may mag-agay? Matabing. Ano ito pala na kung may mag-agay?
So it's afternoon, little bit hot, but as you can see, it's a rice field. It's rice, and before they put here in the floor or in the street, they need to harvest it, and then after that they remove in the plant, and then they put in the floor to dry it. This is how they create some rice, and the later they will put in the grinder, like grinder, you know, they remove the seed to the skin. We're waiting for the tricycle. We use tricycle, and this tricycle can have 10 person or 10 maximum of person can sit here inside the tricycle. Flower. So beautiful place here. we have my relatives have, or my family have rice field here, or like place here for rice, and then they will harvest it. I know last time I've been here is I'm young, and then I with my relatives, and I go to this field, and we just put some new plant rice.
Tao mo na yan!
Kanina te? So, here in my cousin home.
Tatabi ko muna lang pa rin eh.
Hello, good afternoon. It's my second day here in Bicol, and I go here in the backyard of our place here in Bicol. In the backyard, you can see the rice field here, and we can sit here. So, like fresh air, and also coconut, banana, and mango. And you can say here, if you go to like this place, you need to say tabi tabi po. Okay, it's so good here. In the night it's good and fresh, but sometimes hot also because it's also summer. And later I will going to the disco with my sister and my cousin. It's a party for young people, and it's disco here. It's celebration for the fiesta here in Puro, Kipayo, Bicol. And in May 3, where we're going have here in my place in Bicol, where the place my grandma home have fiesta also here, and they have also a disco in the basketball court, and we celebrate also the fiesta here. And it's my not first time. So before it's 8 years or 5 years I've been here with my relatives, and after that we not been because of pandemic, and also it's expensive also the charge for the bus, and it's also 12 hours you need to travel or use bus, but you can use also airplane. But you know the difference of Angeles City or the go to Manila. In Manila have so many buildings there, and here so many rice fields, but it's so fresh, and really I like here. If I have chance to build some house, it's better here, not need to use aircon here, because you can open the window here and you can sleep, or if you want to do or build some small house near in your yard, you can do it, and you can sit there and sleep. Really, it's good here. I miss this place in my province. And also it's my mom province. It's my mom's side, grandma's province. And little bit scared. And also this side is my uncle house. The other side, this one, the other side also, it's my uncle house or my relative's house. Maybe tomorrow we will go to take some mango or coconut. And I have also video from already in a eco park resort or restaurant. And yes, here so many fish before and so many crabs here you can take. I remember it's so clean before, but right now it's so dirty after the rain and like flood. It's so big lake or river here. And the other side also have lake also here. I remember here it is not cement before, so it's a wood. Go to that place in my cousin house to the exit to entrance also, exit and entrance of the place. And you can see also coconut. It's near only coconut, coconut, and coconut. So many coconut also here. And also I know have nuts here before. This part have so many nuts. We take some nuts here, and I don't know why they remove it. And I will gonna show to you maybe in next video that how we take some coconut to another place, and it's free. We can take anytime. We can take some coconut. And wait, maybe I can see some fish here. Oh, don't have. So I will go to inside the house. Simple and open air here. They open the windows and you can see the side. This is another door, and it's so fresh air. This is the kitchen. This is the bathroom, and this is where we sleep. So it's private. And they prepare some food before. This fish, it's so good. Just only use rice and dip in vinegar, or if you want to make some salad of tomato. And this is bagoong. It's small fish. You cannot buy it, but because it's good here, and it's not the same with another bagoong in what is this, in Pampanga. And before we've been in my cousin house and we ate some adobo caldereta. Go inside the bed. Yuki! Yuki. Oh no! We're going to Ratayleta, and we're going to watch
Miss Santa Cruz Poblacion.
We're here in Santa Cruz Poblacion, Tariga.